Welcome to this official SellerMagnet tutorial. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the SellerMagnet Sourcer tool. To access the Sourcer, ensure you are logged into your SellerMagnet account. Navigate to the left-hand menu. Under the Tools section, click on Sourcer. This will redirect you to the main overview dashboard. At the top of the page, you have the search bar. Here you can enter an ASIN, EAN, or ISBN. The system automatically detects the identifier type, so there is no need to manually select it. Next to the search bar, use the drop-down menu to select the specific marketplace you wish to analyze. SellerMagnet supports all major marketplaces listed here. A quick note, the SellerMagnet Sourcer is also available as a Chrome extension. If you prefer to analyze data directly while browsing Amazon, simply click this icon to visit the Chrome Web Store and install the extension. Below the search bar, you will see a history of your recent searches, complete with timestamps for easy reference. For this tutorial, we will search for a specific product on the German marketplace. Once you click Search, the system fetches all relevant data in the background. Let's break down the results. The first widget displays general product information, including the title, ASIN, and EAN. Below that, you'll see the estimated sales metric, indicating the monthly sales volume for this product. Next is the maximum cost price figure. This automatically updates based on the inputs in the profit calculator, which I will explain in a moment. Below that, you have key pricing metrics, the current buy box price, the Amazon price, which appears grayed out if Amazon is not currently on the listing, as well as the lowest FBM and lowest FBA offers. You'll also see a buy box share indicator. If the buy box is suppressed or restricted, this will be grayed out. Similarly, the private label indicator alerts you if the brand is restricted. In the next column, you can see the total offers count and the total stock available across all sellers. There's also a variations indicator to let you know if this product has multiple options. The eligible indicator shows if you are approved to sell the item. If it is grayed out, a tooltip will explain why, or you can click the icon to access the necessary approval form. Finally, there's a hazard mat indicator to warn you of any hazardous material classifications. Next, we have the profit calculator. Here you can input your specific cost price, for example, 20 euros, and your VAT percentage. You can then select your fulfillment method, FBA or FBM. If you select FBM, you can manually enter your shipping costs. If you select FBA, expanding the total fees section will show you a breakdown of the specific FBA fulfillment fees and the referral fee. The calculator then processes this data to show you the VAT due, the break-even sale price, and your estimated payout. Most importantly, it calculates your net profit, profit margin, and ROI, return on investment. To the right, you have the Offers widget. Here it lists all current sellers on the listing, ordered sequentially. You can see their fulfillment type, seller name, price, shipping costs, and stock levels. At the bottom of the page, you'll find detailed performance charts. The bestseller rank chart shows the listing's performance history within its category. The price history chart tracks price development over time. You can zoom in on these charts for a more granular analysis. The monthly sold chart visualizes sales trends. Finally, the buy box share chart provides a breakdown of the competition. It displays which sellers are winning the buy box, their percentage share, their average price, and when they last held the buy box. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the power of the SellerMagnet Sourcer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, reach out to our support team, or schedule a call directly through the menu. Thank you for watching.